When camping, various stoves are available for cooking. While stoves are excellent for boiling or frying food, to bake items like breads and rolls, a oven is needed. Although commercial camping ovens are available to buy, this is not necessary because an affordable oven can be built using materials that are easy to find. A homemade oven can be of any size, as long as the oven retains heat. Ovens work by distributing heat. A heating source spreads warmth through natural convection, where hot air rises while cool air sinks. This creates air circulation, which helps cook food more quickly and uniformly. I am going to make an oven out of a cardboard box. Cardboard boxes are easy to find, and in most cases, they cost next to nothing. Cardboard is easy to work with and durable as long as it remains dry. After finding a box that fits your needs, double wrap it in aluminum foil. Tape the foil down. Next, add a container to hold the heat source. You can use charcoal, gel fuel, or even candles. Any heat source will work. Then place cans inside the box to create a platform for a grill. Do not put the grill on top of the heat source. A small barrier is needed between the heat source and grill to prevent direct contact. This small barrier will help protect the food from burning. Start your heat source and place the food in the oven. Soon you will have oven-cooked victuals. I made this oven in about 20 minutes. A solar oven can be constructed using similar steps. However, instead of an enclosed box, a glass or plexiglass cover will trap the sun's heat to cook the food. Therefore, a warm sunny day is necessary for it to function correctly. Warning: since it is not possible to regulate the heat, I recommend checking the food often to ensure your food is not burning. Additionally, paper burns at 451 Fahrenheit, so it is advisable to keep the oven outside and never leave it unattended, as it could be a fire hazard. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time, bye.